What's up, Namblers? Welcome back to Nam's Eatery. It's time to get fancy with our empanadas. Here I'm making beef Wellington empanadas, adapted from Gordon Ramsay's beef Wellington recipe. It's no secret that I use puff pastry empanada shells in my videos. I figured that this concept would work well since beef Wellington is usually wrapped in puff pastry. Alright, let's get in there. First we'll need to sear our beef tenderloin, then wrap and chill overnight. Then it's on to the mushroom duxelle. I quickly chopped the mushrooms in a food processor. Work smarter, not harder, right? Hit them with a little bit of thyme, salt and pepper, and cook until the moisture has evaporated. For the wine sauce, let's brown some beef trimmings from the tenderloin. Add peppercorns, shallots, and bay leaves, and cook until browned. Deglaze with a splash of red wine vinegar until mostly evaporated. Then pour in a whole bottle of wine, minus 1 cup because, cooking makes you thirsty. Let that mostly reduce, then add beef stock and reduce further until it's nice and thick. Season and strain. Then it's empanada time. Let's get that beautiful beef tenderloin sliced into manageable pieces. First goes the prosciutto. Then a thin layer of duxelle. Line up the beef and it's time to roll and stuff. Look how beautiful that looks. You know this is gonna turn out amazing. When baking puff pastry, you always want to brush with egg wash so that it browns nicely. Look how beautiful these empanadas look. Baked empanadas usually have a lighter shell compared to fried empanadas. but they usually take about 25 minutes to bake, so the inside gets more cooked than if you were to fry them. Frying only takes about 5 minutes, so let's give that a try after we give these a taste. Look how beautiful they look. And here are the fried ones. You can tell by the texture. These guys are super crunchy, but the baked ones hold their crisp for longer. And check out the insides. Perfect. Just the way I like my steaks. Look how juicy that looks. Perfect on the inside, crispy on the outside. Let's give these a taste. I'll tell ya, this is the first time I've had beef Wellington, and I am a fan. I'm so happy with how these turned out, and I think you will love them too. Just look at my reaction. So good, I wish I made more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a Nam-tastic day.